New update for 100 drawers Shopee Calculator is here. Few days ago, I noticed a glitch in the Shopee order report generation from the Seller Center. If your product does not have variation, the column of SKU reference number is empty, leaving only the parent SKU reference number column. But at the time of writing this script, the glitch has been fixed. To prepare for future glitches, I fixed my formula. If the SKU reference number is empty, it will automatically get the SKU number from parent SKU reference number. Next, the Payout Status in All Orders tab is now completed. You can use the drop-down list to filter by order payout status, so it is easier now to check whether the order payout is pending for release. One overdue feature in the Fees Calculator tab. Previously, this module will get all orders, including return refunded orders and even cancelled orders. Now, there is a drop-down list to filter for orders in shipping, completed orders, or no return refunded orders. In the Cost Calculator tab, I removed the fee rate row that was previously in here. I also moved the commission fee input column to the right, so take note of the color of the headers. The following updates are only for advanced version. Advanced version is powered by VBA code. Let me show you what I mean. In the settings page, there are two buttons here. Selecting the cells of clear data, the application will prompt and automatically clear all the data, including order report, income report, product database, all filter criteria, custom fee rate, product cost in gross profit and cost calculator, and many others. Basically, all user inputs are cleared out. Next is the Get Report button. Previously, you could only select one report at a time to import. Now you can drag to select multiple reports and it will compile all of them automatically. Previously, only order reports can append the new data with the old data. Now the income report can also append with the old data. You can also import product database with this button too. Speaking of product database, I added a new tab for it. It takes the product mass update template from the My Orders page. In the My Orders page, hover over the batch tools. Select mass update. We need both the sales info and days to ship info. Select and click generate. Download both templates after generations are finished. Import the templates using the Get Report button in the settings page. The mass update template will get copied into the product database tab. This tab is doing all the data extraction to determine each product's commission fee rate. If you are wondering where I get the fee rates from, yes, I downloaded the entire product category fee rate table into here. This table is only available in advanced version 2. We need the sales info to get the variation SKU number, and we need the DTS info to get the product category. That's the reason. In the extraction table, this category extract column is the original data in the template we downloaded from the Shopee Seller Center. Then I work my magic to split it up to 5 levels of categories. With the category and subcategory, I use XLOOKUP for the commission fee rate. There are two minor things to take note of here. First, for the health and beauty category, these are two separate categories in the product info template. Second, whenever the subcategory did not find a matching category, they all fell under their respective others subcategory. I make this product database module so that other modules can also make use of the data it has, such as in the Cost Calculator. After you input the cost of an SKU, the calculation is triggered. Previously, if you do not input commission fee rate, the template will get the generic rate from the settings page, but now it will look from the product database and get their own rate. I had planned some other usage for the data from the product database, but still in progress to make it done. Stay tuned for the next update on this. Last update of the day. Introducing Safety Stock module. Safety Stock is the stock level to keep alert on, for never run out of stock. A generic formula for calculating safety stock is like this. Max daily sales times max delivery lead time, then minus average daily sales times average daily lead time. As always, after you import the order reports, all SKUs data is extracted and half calculated. At the top left, you can configure whether to use the sales information to list the SKU or list all the SKU. Since safety stock are calculated using the sales data, it makes sense to just list the SKU based on the sales info. Next, you can choose the duration of sales data from how long ago. You can use the drop-down list to pick, or simply input a number. Don't input a number that overshoots your sales data. I mean, if you only import 60 days of sales data from the order report, don't pick 90 days. The average daily sales will become inaccurate. Then, in the delivery lead time columns, I have a simple calculator to help you calculate your average delivery lead time. Let's say you want to calculate the safety stock for SKU number 2. First, look for the purchase order date for that product, meaning what date did you place an order to your supplier, and then input the date when you received the order. You will get the day count on the right. There are 3 rows, so you can calculate the average delivery lead time for the past 3 purchase orders for SKU number 2. Then, at the list below, input the highest delivery lead time and the calculated average time. The safety stock count is calculated automatically. This number means when your stock level is equal or below this quantity, you need to order them right away or might be risking out of stock. This update is way more packed than I expected. If you need to revisit any parts of my video, remember to use the chapters in the progress bar to look for your topic. Use these links to get the templates for free. If you want to get the advanced version, go to my Ko-fi page. If you want to support this channel, use my Shopee affiliate link or subscribe to my Ko-fi membership. You can get all future updates of the advanced version. All the links are in the video description. Like this video if you like it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the comment section.